Gusto kitang isayaw.
Welcome back to People's Choice. Let's continue Sir Brian's interview with Jerome Ivardame and find out what made our main star, Jerome, share such a wonderful hearty laugh. So, stay tuned and discover it all right here on People's Choice.
I never stop practicing talaga. Kahit yun na yung distinct sound niya. Nung bata siya, yung manipis. Kasi nung nasa Germany siya, nakarinig siya opera. Doon nag-transition boses niya nung kilalang malaki ng boses.
Yes.
It's now or never.
Jerome is really amazing, isn't he? He truly studied Elvis Presley inside and out, even checking all the background details thoroughly. That's why you can hardly tell any difference between their voices, right? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.
Before na-realize na meron ka palang ganitong gift?
Nasa late age na ako para mag-start ng music. Kasi 'di ba music inaaral talaga bata pa lang pag talagang push yung bata. Ako hindi po. Kumbaga nangyari talaga sa akin around 14 years old ako. Doon ko gustong i-push yung boses ko na anong maging kakayanan ko. Kasi may nangyari lang na moment sa school, kumanta lang ng Mabagal ni Daniel Padilla.
Yan.
Nagsigawan na lahat.
Yan, grabe.
Nagsigawan na lahat.
Sabi ng tao, anyari.
Sabi ko talaga, ganito lang yung, pero naging friend ko yun, yung kumanta doon. Sa flag ceremony.
Oo.
Naging close friend ko yun. Ganito lang ginawa niya. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gumanon lang siya sa stage.
Kahit naman ako, anyari ako doon, di ba? Minsan kasi, ito, for performers, kailangan nyo rin tignan to. Hindi nyo kailangan minsan ibirit. Nasa bigkas ng mga lengguwahe, ng kanta, at pag-interpret.
Tama.
Minsan yung, di ba, mga bagay na sinasabi mo, I love you. Pero pag sinabi mo, I love you. Mas ibang dating, di ba? Diba?
Sexy pakinggan.
Sexy, di ba? At least yung maramdam niya.
And now, watch closely to see our main star share a great big laugh in this video. It's sure to bring a smile to many faces, and I'm sure you'll be one of them, right?
Enjoy na enjoy si John Bonde.
Yes.
Active ka rin sa local music scene. Naging Battle of the Bands champion ka pa noong 2024. Ano natutunan from those early gigs na yung competition, especially pagdating sa performing in front of a live audience?
Disiplina at saka yung talaga, adaptability. Mas naging advanced yung pagka-adapt ko. Kasi yung mga songs na hindi sila timbre ng boses ko. Kami kasi talaga ang pinaka-ano ko doon.
At this point, I'd love to know, have you seen the Battle of the Bands where they won? Leave a comment if you've watched it. I know many of you have, since I already posted it here before.
Opo. After nung Bohemian Rhapsody queue namin doon, kasi parang medley lang po yun 15 minutes yung limit lang. Medley yun. Pagtapos nung Bohemian Rhapsody, di ba? Bumagsak ako doon. Binagsak ko sarili ko. Nakiga ako ganun. Tapos, parang nananalangin ako. Yung mic nasa bunga ako. Kasi ito ngayon.
Di ba?
Hindi ako nag-Elvis.
This is the raw footage from the Battle of the Bands courtesy of Batang Balaga Kami. If you'd like to watch it, just visit their channel. A big thanks to them for saving and keeping this footage.
Hindi ako nag-Elvis nun. Talagang wala si Elvis sa moment na yun.
Talagang si Yano ka,
Jerome lang po.
Jerome lang talaga, di ba? Grabe.
Una namin kinanta nga po doon, 214
Bigat din nun, di ba?
Opo, that time, hindi ko pa kayang bumirit ng sobrang taas compared sa kaya ko ngayon.
And that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video I made for you. Please stay tuned and join me for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you're always updated on new uploads here on People's Choice.